Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Unreal Engine and Visual Studio with NET support. Once done, enable Unreal CLR or the Engine C hash plugin. This ties the runtime to the editor. Next, create a new C hash-enabled project so Unreal generates assemblies and csproj files automatically. Make sure to restart the editor after toggling the plugin. Otherwise, file generation can fail. You want a working compilation pipeline before you write code. So open the generated solution in Visual Studio and build it to verify the link. Now you implement gameplay in C hash. Create managed classes that derive from actor, component, or U-object equivalents provided by the plugin. That gives native lifecycle hooks. Use UpReperty and ufunction-like attributes or plugin-specific decorators to expose fields and methods to blueprints, enabling designers to use your logic. Compile the solution and perform hot reload. Watch the editor log for assembly binding errors. If a type fails to bind, recompile and restart the editor. Make sure namespaces and full type names match what Unreal expects. To finish, validate your game in the editor, then cook and package while including C hash assemblies and any native plugin binaries. Make sure to strip debug symbols for distribution and sign native dependencies if the platform requires it. Once packaged, run the build on target hardware and monitor logs for managed exceptions. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: inspect assembly load paths and runtime versions. Most failures stem from mismatched NET runtimes or incorrect plugin versions, so align engine, plugin, and Visual Studio configurations first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.